No way. That's fucking crazy, man. Alright, check this out. I got this in today. Ordered a while back, man. I'm looking for a solution to a problem I have with Ibanez. And I thought, well, I just looked at Ibanez. Maybe they can help me sort this out. I tried to go it alone, use my own tools and stuff, but now I broke down and bought one of their tools, man. And by golly, it works. What the fuck, man? Ibanez multi-tool. Excuse me. Matches the guitar, at least. I guess. Anyway, got distracted. So, I got this because every time I wanted to turn the truss rod on this Ibanez Roadstar here, I had to take off this string tree or whatever you call that. It was a pain in the ass. And so I had like, this, shorter tang or what do you call that? Wow, but it's cool. And it matches the guitar. So anyway, here we go. Let's just go back over here. Now, the real test. Oh boy, oh boy. Just a minute. Will it? No. Sorry. Ah! Fuck. I still gotta take that off. Bullshit. Oh well. Alright, take care.